Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, children, in today's class, we are going to learn lesson number 3, Charts in Excel, part 3. So, children, let us start our lesson. Today's topic: moving, resizing, deleting charts in Excel, formatting a chart. So, children, let us learn one by one. Moving, resizing, deleting charts in Excel. Children, once you have created and embedded charts in your Excel, you can resize it, delete it, and move it from one place to another. First, select the chart by clicking on it. To move the chart, place the cursor on the chart area. You can observe the screen, children. Place the cursor on the chart area. A four-headed arrow appears. Press and drag it in order to move the chart in any direction. You can observe, children, we can move the chart in any direction. Release the mouse to place the chart in the desired location. Understood, children? To resize the chart, click on the corner border of the chart. You can observe that the change to the double-headed arrow. You can observe the screen, children. The pointer has changed into double-headed arrow. Now, drag the handle to the desired direction. You can observe the screen, children. The chart has been increased. Understood, children? To delete the chart, click anywhere on the chart. Okay, children, click anywhere on the chart, select it, and then press the delete option. You can observe the screen, children. The chart has been deleted. Formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. You can move the chart by changing its title text, font, line color, width, border style, etc. You can also change the number of value in axis, hide or show grid lines. You can format the chart in various ways. So children, let us observe how to format a chart. To change the plot area background, you need to click on the chart area. Here you can observe the chart area, children. A menu has been appeared on the screen. Click on the below arrow. You can observe a shortcut menu appeared on your screen. Isn't it, children? There you can select plot area. Select plot area option and then click on the fill option. Okay, children. Here you can observe a drop down menu with lots of colors, themes. Okay, children. Colors, different colors are there. Select the desired color. Okay, children. Select the desired color and then click OK. Now, if you want to change the color in the gradient form, okay, children, you can observe the changes which is been appeared on your screen. Okay. If you want gradient color, you can use different types. Which one you desire, you can click on it. Okay, and if you want to change the outline of the chart area, click on the colors option here. Again, you can observe the theme colors. Click on the border. Okay, outline of the chart, and if you need, you can click on the thickness, that is 3 points I clicked. You can observe the change, children. The border is being applied and the background of the chart is being applied. Okay children, changing the plot area background is being applied. Understood children? Inserting the chart title. You can observe the screen children. Once you can insert the chart, you need to specify the chart title. Isn't it children? We need to specify the chart title. So, you need to select the chart first. Okay children, select the chart first. Click on the chart title. Now, simply delete the previous name and enter the desired title. Student report. Okay children. Now if you want to format it, you want to highlight it, Control B, bold, and if you want to change the font style, you can specify the style and the font size also. Okay children, if you want to underline it, you can underline it. If you want to change the color, you can change the color of the title also. Understood children? Task of the day children. Read from the textbook how to format a chart. Children, we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.